Welcome to another Lynx JS tutorial. In the previous video, I showed you guys how you can create a new Lynx app project. In this video, we'll look at the web component and also how you can deploy your app to the web. On the screen, you'll see I've deployed a Lynx JS app on Netifly. So we'll just walk you through this process. So previously, we created a app with Lynx JS. So we'll just open up that folder. Go to desktop, Lynx demo, and then we created Lynx Project I. And the first thing that we do need to do is we need to add web configuration to the lynxconfig file. So we'll go over to lynxconfig.ts, terminal for now, and then we'll just add the following web configuration. And then we'll need to save that. Then we can open up our terminal and then we can say npm run build. So these configurations is available on the Lynx JS website. You'll just go to how to integrate Lynx with existing apps web, and then I'll show you the process and any terminal codes that you will need. Okay, cool. So once that's done, you'll see in your distribution folder, it will create this main web.bundle file. So this is the final web build artifact. But the way Lynx JS works is that we'll need to create a separate project for the web component. So we'll need to create a new Lynx JS project. So I'll just open up terminal and then navigate to our folder. So we want to create this in the same parent directory as our current project. So go cd desktop cd Lynx demo. Now we're going to create a new project for our web component. I'll just say web. Cool. I'm going to choose React. And I'll go with JavaScript. I'll skip this for now. Cool. And then we want to navigate into our newly created project. So we're going to go cd. And then we just need to add a few dependencies to enable the web elements. Now that that's installed, we can open up our web project in VS Code. Okay, cool. And now we need to import some dependencies in our source app.tsx or JSX file. So this is also available on the Lynx JS website. I'll just save that. And then we also need to update our rsconfig.ts file. So we'll just copy this. And then we do need to add our main project folder. So this would be the initial app project that we created. So this will be Lynx Project I, where we have the web bundle in the distribution folder. So we'll just say Lynx Project I. Cool. Then we'll save that. Then we can open up our terminal and we can just say npm run dev. Cool. And then that will open up our project on a local server. Okay, so now let's say we wanted to deploy this to the web. All that we can do is we can just say queue, so we can just quit this process, say npm run build. Cool. Now in our folder, we can go to the web example folder, and then there'll be a distribution folder, and this will contain all the files that you need to deploy. So Netifly has a great drag and drop feature, so we'll just demo it there. So here we'll just copy our entire distribution folder. Give this a moment to upload. Cool, now we can open our production deploy. And we've successfully deployed a Lynx JS app. And that's all you need to do.